Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. Today we'll be doing a short cooling pranayam that is especially helpful during summers. This also helps in calming your mind and nervous system. So once you are ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going. We will start with a quick warm-up to open up our upper body. So let's come into a comfortable sitting position. Bring both your hands on either sides. As you inhale, extend both the arms up, interlace the fingers and stretch up. And as you exhale, slowly bring the hands down. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale, extend the arms up and stretch up. Exhale, slowly bring them down. Last time. Inhale, extend the arms up. Exhale, come down. Now, as you inhale, extend the left arm up and bend towards the right side, looking up towards the ceiling. Keep the chest open and come back. Let's do it for the other side. Inhale, extend the right arm up and back. Inhale, left arm up. Breathe into the stretch. Feel on the left side of the body. And back. Inhale, right arm up. And back, last round. Very good. Now let's just do a twist. Bring the left arm on the outside of the right knee. As you inhale, extend the spine. And as you exhale, twist towards the right, looking back over the right shoulder. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist in the opposite direction. Keep the spine long. And center 2 more times on each side. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. The nice stretch in your lower back. Last round. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. And come back to center. Then bring your right leg forward and place the shin parallel to the edge of the mat and place the left leg over that. As you inhale, extend both the arms up, and as you exhale, just start bending forward, bringing the hands in front, feeling a nice stretch on the outside of the left thigh, hip and lower back. Just breathe into the stretch. And slowly come back, and let's do it for the other side. Place the right leg over the left. Inhale, extend the arms up. Exhale, bend forward, keeping the spine long. You may feel one side is tighter than the other. That is quite common. So just don't worry about it and just breathe into the stretch. And slowly come back and come back to a normal sitting position. So let's start the pranayam practice now. We will start with deep abdominal breathing or yogic breathing. So come into a sitting position. Ground your sit bones firmly into the mat. Straighten the spine and roll the shoulders back. Bring your hands in Chinna Mudra on the knees. Close your eyes and let's take a couple of normal breaths here. Now place one hand over your belly. As you inhale deeply, feel the belly expanding out. And as you exhale, feel the belly softening and going in. Again, inhale deeply, expanding the belly out like a big balloon. Exhale slowly, the belly softens and goes in. Keep going. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Now place the other hand over your chest. This time, as you inhale, first feel the belly expanding out. And then inhale a bit more to feel the chest expanding out as well. As you exhale, the chest softens and then the belly goes in. Inhale deeply, expanding the belly, followed by the chest. Exhale slowly, the chest softens, followed by the belly. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Last round. Very good. Now bring both your hands over your knees in Chinna Mudra. And take a couple of normal breaths. Next, we are going to do Kaki Pranayama, also known as crow's beak pranayama. This is a cooling practice in which we inhale through our mouth and exhale through the nose. In this, when we inhale, we are going to create a crow's beak-like shape with our mouth, and then we are going to exhale through the nose. So while inhaling, purse your lips together as if you are about to whistle, and then you are going to inhale through the small opening in the mouth as if you're using a straw to sip in air. Then you're going to close your lips and then slowly exhale evenly through the nose. So I'll show it to you one more time. Inhale through the mouth. So let's do it together, 10 rounds. Let's start. Keep your face relaxed and try to make the inhalations and exhalations long and even. Last round. Let's take a couple of normal breaths. You should be feeling a cooling sensation in your body from nose, throat and chest. If your throat feels a bit dry, you can also take a small sip of water now. And then we'll move to the next pranayam, which is Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. For Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, bring the right hand in Vishnu Mudra by folding the index and middle finger. Block the right nostril with the right thumb. Slowly inhale from the left side. Switch fingers by closing the left nostril with the ring finger and slowly exhale from the right side. Inhale right. Switch fingers and exhale through the left. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Switch, exhale right, 2, 3, 4. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Switch, exhale left, 2, 3, 4. Keep going on. There should be no sound as you inhale and exhale. Make your inhalations and exhalations equal. Last round. Slowly bring the right hand down and let's take a couple of normal breaths. Very good. We'll finish with 5 rounds of Bhramari Pranayam or the humming bee breath. Bring your hands up on either sides of the head. We are going to use the thumbs to close the flaps of the ears. Then place the fingers gently over your eyelids. Take a deep breath in through the nose. And exhale, making a deep humming sound. Again, inhale. Slowly bring the hands down, keeping your eyes closed. And let's just take a couple of normal breaths here. We are going to end with 3 omkars. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your hands to heart center and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Slowly bring the hands over your eyelids and feel the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Gently bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed today's practice. I'll see you soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.